Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kristian Martinez, and welcome to Wallace Branch Library's 12 Days of Christmas Craft. In today's craft, we'll be making our very own Christmas ornament, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, what you'll need for this craft is a clear Christmas ornament, some mop and glow, and some glitter. Okay. So first what you want to do is just take the top off this ornament, like this, and go ahead and pour some mop glow into it. Okay. Now that you got mop glow into it, all you gotta do is just spin it around like this. Make sure it touches all the surface. Once you're done rotating all the mop glue inside the orb, what you'll do next is go ahead and you can just pour the rest of it back into here. Just pour the rest of it back. Okay. Now that you got all your globe inside all done, what you do next is put some glitter into it. What you do next is just rotate it down like this. I say put the top back on it so that way you can rotate it without making a big mess. Well, I'll go ahead and pour some more in here. Now you got your very own Christmas ornament. Why don't you go ahead and put this on the tree when you get a chance? Thank you for tuning in to Wallace Branch Library, 12 Days of Christmas Craft. Why don't you go ahead and tune into the next day and see what we got in store for you next. Thank you. Have a nice day.